Okay, this is the Energy PowerPoint slideshow. It is a short slideshow. There's only 5 slides in it, but it does pack a lot of punch in terms of teaching you the variety of choices you can use to create a lot of visual stimulation in your PowerPoints. The first thing that you'll be doing is inserting a chart that you make in Excel, and hopefully you'll see how all the controls in various Microsoft products are very, very similar. The next one is simply an insert of an animated GIF, which will show you how you can get a lot of motion and excitement with very little effort. And finally, slide number 4 is going to be where you spend most of your time. Slide number 4 has a lot of different pictures on it. You're going to name all those pictures so that you can animate them easily. And it will show the inputs, the transmission, and the uses of energy across society. And the last slide, of course, like all of your slideshows, you will come up with a beautiful picture that you present. It'll be your choice of picture, and some sort of positive message that you leave your audience with so that they have a good feeling about your overall presentation. On this slide, your task is to insert a chart. To do so, you will download the energy sources data on the Google Class page into Excel. You'll select all of the data and insert a recommended chart. Choose the stacked area chart and pick a dark style. Then erase the title and copy that chart from Excel onto this slide. Stretch the chart from edge to edge so the reader gets the best possible view. Okay, this page is the easiest of them. You just have to drag in the animated GIF file called Steam Engine and then resize it to go from edge to edge. Animated GIF files are especially nice for PowerPoints because they're super small and they add a lot of pizzazz to your slideshow without much additional effort on your part. Okay, this is the most challenging page in this project. The concept here is that you have this slot machine with 3 blank holes in it. It's a PNG. It's got 3 blank slots in it. The center slot only has one picture that's going to go into it, and it is the power grid. And you can animate the power grid coming in at the beginning as you talk about the power grid has to be super strong so that we can have this create this transition plan. Then you'll see on the left panel, there's going to be sources of energy, and on the right-hand panel, there'll be uses of energy. So in the sources section, you'll have coal to begin with, and then you can replace coal with something like nuclear, and then you can replace nuclear with something like solar or wind. And on the uses side, you can replace the house with a car, and if you wanted to add something else, maybe you could put an office building. And then you're going to have a script here that basically says if we have a robust power grid capable of handling much more capacity than we have today, then we will be able to support end uses like fully electric homes, fully electric cars, fully electric businesses. And then over time, we will be able to move from coal to other more sustainable energy sources like nuclear, wind, or solar. Now, in order to make this happen, your tasks are as follows. On the Home tab, you're going to choose Arrange and then Selection Panel. And there are a set of pictures in there. And on each picture that just says Picture 3, Picture 4, Picture 5, you'll just rename those. So Picture 2, for example, you're going to rename to Grid. And then you go on from there. And as you click on the name of Picture 3, Picture 4, Picture 5, it will show the move handles around it. But you'll also want to drag that picture to the top so you can actually see to the top of the selection panel so that you can actually see which picture you're looking at. It won't be behind something else. Then you're going to open the animation pane and make each of the pictures fly in and fly out at the times to make it look like a slot machine, just changing the pictures in the frame. And you'll practice the timings on it to make it all work out. And finally, you'll put your speech over the top of it. There is a script at the bottom of the page in the speaker notes, and you can use that or something similar to record an audio onto this so you can explain what's happening in this slide. Finally, you will transition to a beautiful final image and some sort of hopeful message about transitioning to modern energy sources for a cleaner planet more capable of sustaining human life long into the future.